Now, right here is another affordable 3-bedroom apartment in the heart of Lekki Phase 1, going for 270 million naira. And now this is the last unit available to be sold right here. All units has been sold. Now to my left hand side here is the security gate house and the generator house over there. So once there is no power supply like NEPA electricity, there is a standby generator for you. Now without further ado, let me take you in to show you what we have right here. You can see the large car park space for all the residents who will be living right here. And this is the entrance to the last unit of apartment you have available to be sold right here. And there are other car park spaces. There are some on that side, and there are also some at this other side as well. And then the GP tanks are on the floor, so you don't have to worry about probably the water from the tank leaking into your apartment or from the roof. Without further ado, let me take you in to show you what we have right here. And another sweet deal is that if you don't want to use the staircase, we also have an elevator right here. But there is no power right now in the building because not everybody has moved in, but some people have been doing 1 or 2 works. But then this is an elevator, a functional elevator right here at this particular unit. Now let's go. Let me show you what we have. Now coming up right here, we are already at the last available unit to be sold, and trust me, by the time you see the living room area, you'll be wow. Welcome into this gigantic, spacious living room area of this 3-bedroom apartment right here. And it comes with an open plan kitchen which has been fully ensuite. These are microwave, our oven, our 4-face burner, washing hand basin, our kitchen cabinet has been installed. And this is the exit. As a little balcony for you right here. Now you can see that this is neat. The plastering of the wall is smooth, and as well at this side is the visitors toilet and restroom, fully ensuite as well. Now let me show you. At this side as well is we have for you a balcony right here. This is 1 bed. We have other 2 beds right there. This is 1 bed, and it comes fully ensuite, 4x6. In fact, 5x6 can stay right there. We have our wardrobes, a little window for ventilation, and the restroom, which is also fully ensuite, a washing hand basin, a WC, cubicle, and shower right here. So let me show you the other 2 beds in this place. So there's a little walking passage right here. We have another bed in this place. This makes it bed 2, fully ensuite, a gigantic one at that. As you can see, has its own wardrobes and also its own restroom right here. A washing hand basin. We have a washing hand basin, a WC, and a cubicle shower right here. So this right here is the 3rd room. This is the 3rd room, which serves as the master's bedroom. Fully ensuite, very spacious, gigantic windows for ventilation. This is the wardrobe section right here, and this is the master's restroom. That comes with this curved shaped washing hand basin, WC, cubicle, and shower with a water heater. So as I said earlier, this is the most affordable 3-bed right now in Lekki Phase 1, going for 270 million naira, and just 1 unit is left. Hurry now, check the description section below. You will see my WhatsApp number right there. Click on it, come into my DM, and let me help you secure this available masterpiece right now in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. Thank you.